Alright, welcome back. Now let's look at Universal Metabox. There's this unique feature by SEOPress called Universal Metabox. So the main objective of a Metabox, especially a Universal Metabox, is for page builders. If you're using Gutenberg and the traditional classical WordPress website, you might not have a big use case of a Universal Metabox. But if you're using a page builder like DB Elementor, Beaver Builder, whatever you have, sometimes the SEO scores are not calculated properly. So let me explain what it is visually, right? I have this content called how to install a WordPress plugin. It's decently long, we got decently covered. And if you look at traditionally, this is how SEOPress's layout looks. Again, I'm going to go through a detailed on-page optimization in the next video, but this is just to cover Universal Metabox, what it is, and if you need it or not, because it helps with the user interface long term, right? I'm a Gutenberg user, Gutenberg as in the traditional WordPress page builder, and I like this option. I have no issues, okay? That's why you see it like this. However, if I was not using Gutenberg and I was using Elementor or any other page builder, this is not going to be visible, right? Because you only see edit with Elementor option over here, and that's not helpful at all. You might not even want to be in this page at all. And what do you do in that case is you enable universal what is called Universal Metabox. Sorry, it's everywhere. So instead of here, you can actually go to the actual page and edit contents of the page. So now let's see how to enable it. Right now you're seeing it like this. In your SEO advanced options, you're going to see SEO image and SEO advanced settings. You go to appearance, you will make sure Universal SEO Metabox for block editor Gutenberg is enabled. Disabled Universal Metabox is deselected. There's Metabox. So once you enable this, at least for me, it's on Gutenberg, right? But if you have any other page builder, you would just deselect this and enable it, and once you save changes, now you see what happens. Okay, earlier, remember, we had a Metabox over here with a lot of data. Now that's gone, and now there's an icon over here that's over here, right? But if I were to refresh here, this icon actually can be moved anywhere in the page I want, but you click on it. This is a Universal Metabox, meaning you don't need to be on the back end only, you can do it on the front end as well, right? So the access can depend if someone's just coming in as a consultant and SEO role and they just want to access this, you have the option to give to them, right? So basically the previous, all the option of the SEO content goes over here, and that's what Universal Metabox does. I can close it. Mind you, if you make some changes and you don't click on save, it doesn't work. So you have to make sure once you make changes, you need to click save, right? So that's what the Universal Metabox does. Now I'm going to close this. And on the next episode, we're actually going to go deeper into doing a whole content analysis and doing the whole on-page SEO for SEOPress.